friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe for the remedy that will help keep your kidney and liver in good shape. 1 banana. Potassium is vital for healthy kidney function and blood pressure regulation. As great dietary sources of potassium, bananas could be especially beneficial when it comes to keeping your kidneys healthy. A half lemon juice. If you think preventing kidney stones isn't that big of a benefit, you've never experienced a kidney stone. Lemons contain citrate, which helps prevent calcium from building up and forming stones in your kidneys. So, lemon can be part of a healthy kidney diet. Two centimeters fresh ginger. Ginger cleanses the body by stimulating digestion, circulation, and sweating. Its digestive actions may serve to cleanse the buildup of waste and toxins in various organs, most importantly, the liver. Ginger is identified as an excellent herb, which can improve functional attributes of kidneys. They are helpful in food digestion, improvement in blood purification, and increase in the flow of oxygenated blood towards kidneys. Beat in a blender. Add to 100 milliliters of water. Drink every morning, every other day on an empty stomach. This drink will help you keep your kidney and liver healthy.